You ever visited a place where stone speaks, where history, art, spirituality, and human emotions are carved together for eternity? Welcome to Khajuraho, one of the India's most fascinating heritage destination and a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Chhattarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. Khajuraho is not just a group of temples, it is a civilization frozen in time, a place that challenges modern thinking and redefines the meaning of art, devotion, and life itself. In today's video, we will explore the top tourist place of Khajuraho, its hidden stories, architectural brilliance, and why this destination attracts travelers from all over the world. So stay till the end because Khajuraho is much more than what you think. Khajuraho is located in Chhattarpur district, Madhya Pradesh, around 175 km from Jhansi and around 380 km from Bhopal. This small town once served as a cultural capital of Chandela dynasty, which ruled central India between 9th and 12th centuries. Despite being a small town today, Khajuraho holds global importance because of its extraordinary temple architecture and symbolism. Western Group of Temples. The Western Group of Temples is the heart of Khajuraho and the most visited area. This complex includes some of the finest temples ever built in India, all made from sandstone and assembled without using cement or mortar. Kandaria Mahadev Temple, the crown jewel of Khajuraho, dedicated to Lord Shiva, built around 1030 AD, rising almost 31 meter high, decorated with more than 800 detailed sculptures. Every carving here reflects spiritual devotion, daily life, music, dance, love, and human emotions. This temple alone can take hours to observe because every inch tells a story. Lakshmana Temple, one of the oldest temples in Khajuraho, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, built by King Yashovaram, famous for its Vaikuntha Vishnu idol. This temple marks the beginning of Khajuraho's architectural golden age and shows how advanced temple construction was over 1000 years ago. Devi Jagdambi Temple. Though named after goddess Jagdambi, this temple is believed to be originally dedicated to Lord Vishnu. What makes it special? Highly polished sculptures, perfect balance of art and symmetry, strong feminine energy is carving. This temple beautifully represents the Shakti aspect of Indian philosophy. Eastern Group of Temples. Unlike the Western Group, the Eastern Group of Temple focuses mainly on Jain architecture. Parshvanath Temple, largest Jain temple in Khajuraho, dedicated to Lord Parshvanath, features inscriptions describing social life, trade, and morality. This temple shows that Khajuraho was a place of religious harmony where Shaivism, Vaishnavism, and Jainism flourished together. Southern Group of Temples. This group include Duladev Temple, Chaturbhuj Temple. These temples are less crowded but equally impressive in artistic detail. The Chaturbhuj Temple is unique because it houses a four-armed Vishnu statue. Surprisingly, it has no erotic sculptures. Light and Sound Show. One of the best way to understand Khajuraho's history is the light and sound show conducted in the temple complex. Available in Hindi and English, narrated by legendary voices, explains Chandela history, symbolism, and philosophy. Watching the temples glow under lights at night creates a truly magical experience. Archaeological Museum. If you want deeper understanding, visit the Archaeological Museum of Khajuraho. Here you will find broken temple sculptures, ancient inscriptions, explanations of symbolism and iconography. This museum helps decode its misunderstood carvings of Khajuraho. Khajuraho Dance Festival. Every year Khajuraho hosts the Khajuraho Dance Festival, one of the India's most prestigious cultural event. Classical dance forms like Kathak, Bharatnatyam, Odissi, performed against the backdrop of temples, celebrated Indian art, rhythm and spirituality. If you visit during this time, Khajuraho becomes a living cultural stage. The truth about erotic sculptures. Many people know Khajuraho only for its erotic carvings, but that is just less than 10% of the total sculptures. Philosophy behind them. Life is a balance of dharma, earth, kama and moksha. Human desire is not hidden but accepted. Spirituality begins after understanding life completely. Khajuraho teaches us that nothing in life is shameful when seen with wisdom. Traveling tips. Best time to visit October to March. Ideal duration 1 to 2 days. Nearest airport Khajuraho Airport. Best time to visit temple early morning or sunset. Khajuraho is not just a tourist destination, it is a lesson carved in stone. place that tell us art is eternal, spirituality is inclusive, and life is meant to be understood, not judged. If you truly want to experience India's artistic and philosophical depth, Khajuraho must be on your travel list. Thank you. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe.